Hello, Pinterest team. In this video, I am demonstrating how the Pinterest API is used in my WordPress website to connect a Pinterest account and enable scheduled publishing of content from a WordPress website to Pinterest. I copy the application credentials, including the client ID and secret ID. I return to the settings in the WordPress admin panel and paste them into the Pinterest app configuration fields. Once the credentials are entered, I save the configuration so the website can use the approved Pinterest app for authentication. Next, I proceed to connect a Pinterest account by selecting the option to add a new Pinterest account. This opens the Pinterest authorization window, where I log in to the Pinterest account and approve access by selecting Give Access. This authorization allows the website to publish content on behalf of the account according to the permissions granted during the OAuth approval process. After the authorization is completed successfully, the connected Pinterest account appears in my account list, confirming that the integration is active and ready for use. Finally, I open the planner where WordPress posts can be scheduled for publication to Pinterest by selecting the connected Pinterest account and choosing the appropriate board. The API will publish the content automatically at the scheduled time after it is approved. Thank you in advance for reviewing my app and approving it.